Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, privacy glass, tires front all season, tires rear all season, front disc rear drum brakes, front wheel drive, Bluetooth, smart device integration. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.